today's the day. The end is finally here. We knew this day was coming, and today is the day. We finally sold this house. It was on the market for exactly 1 day, and we sold it for exactly what we needed. It's been a good house. It's also been a pain in the butt, but we really have loved turning this house and this yard into something that we can be really proud of. If you all will recall, this backyard was a disaster, and we made a lot of changes to make it into something that was really unique and fit the needs of our family here. The hill was pretty much transformed from something that didn't look very appealing into something that at least has the capability of becoming a really beautiful garden if somebody really spends a lot of time in it. We did as much as we could. There was so much more that I wanted to do, but we decided that it was time for us to build our home on our land, and I'll be sharing a lot more updates about that as we progress. Today, we're gonna do our final mow, and then we're just gonna go off into the sunset. So let's get to it. All right, well, that was it. Finally finished. It's been quite an adventure in this lawn. As you guys know, we've rebuilt this backyard multiple times, especially the first time that we moved out here. We built that parking pad back there where my truck is. We moved a bunch of dirt over here where I'm standing. We leveled this out. We've added grass in multiple forms. We've done bluegrass, we've done perennial ryegrass, we've done tall fescue. We even tried a little Bermuda back here. And because of all the shade that we have back here, none of them worked except for this fescue, which I planted in the fall. This is a local grower, and it is turf type tall fescue, and it is outstanding. So if you take a look back in this direction, you can see just how nice it is. I think this is one of the best lawns that I've had, and I highly recommend them. They were fantastic to work with this fall. It's a little bittersweet to say goodbye to this lawn. I've struggled with it, I've rebuilt it, I've done so many things to it, but I can tell you that I am very proud of the way it looks. Everything from this hill, if we go back and look at how it all started and where we ended up, everything from the landscaping to the steps, all of our planters back here with these hostas. We even have our hydrangeas coming up over here. Our lights at night just look fantastic back here. We even did all of our landscaping here in the back. Our roses right back in here. It was quite the endeavor to get this all done, but we've managed to make it look pretty nice. If we walk over here to the front, we can talk about my favorite part of the lawn, my Bermuda. This lawn was the plan from the start. We knew that we wanted to get Bermuda in here. In fact, when you see the little bit of brown right there, that's because it hasn't come out of dormancy yet. But this is all perennial ryegrass that we planted in the fall, and it looks fantastic. In a few more weeks, all of this Bermuda will come out of dormancy, and I hope that the new homeowners really enjoy how nice it is, as long as I can keep it low. I'm hoping that I get to meet them and I can kind of give them a walkthrough of how everything works, from the irrigation systems to how to mow this front yard. So we'll see how that goes. But even if they don't, they can take it from here and it should stay pretty nice and green. One of the other things that I'm pretty proud of is all of this strip right here that we added. Again, this is all fescue that we planted in the fall, and then we also put fescue right there in the front just because it continues to die off because of that Japanese maple has a lot of shade, And then also because right in this area right here, there's a lot of shade in the afternoon. But all of this fescue just came in, and it came in really nice. So we're pretty excited about that, even though it's not mine. And then this right here is our peonies. We planted these 3 years ago. And the first year we only got 1 bloom. The next year we got 5 blooms. And then this year, look at how many blooms are coming in, and we're not gonna get to enjoy it because we get to turn in this house tomorrow. But even so, what I can say is that I'm really proud of the way this has turned out. If you guys remember in the beginning, the front of the house, it was yellow, and there was just a ton of bushes along here that we tore all down. We put in all of these crepe myrtles, and then even the front of the house, when we painted it blue, that was our color. The shutters, if you go to my other channel, which is the Shark Shed, I built all of those shutters from scratch, and they have stood the test of time. I've done absolutely no maintenance to them in the last 4 years, and they look great. So with that, I think I'm gonna sign off for the last time in this lawn. I thought I'd be a little bit more sad, but the truth is I'm super excited about going to our new land. I'll be posting updates throughout the summer since I'm not gonna have a lawn to deal with, but they're saying that we'll be done in October. And so when we get that started, I'm hoping I'll be able to get at least a little bit of planting done in the fall. So hopefully we'll get to see that. But in the meantime, hope you guys have enjoyed what we've done to this house over the last 5 years. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video as a wrap up of what we've done. So with that, if you like this video, don't forget to like. And if I've earned your subscription, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be notified of future videos, whenever they might be, don't forget to hit that bell. And I hope to see you in the next video.